Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect a wallet to Dex Screener. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and search for Dex Screener. Once you find the official website, click on it. You will land on a dashboard that looks like this. Use the search option in the header to search for any coin of your choice. To connect your Phantom wallet, click on the Explore button located at the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you will see various options such as portfolio, gains and losses, along with a list of coins. Before proceeding, you need to sign in first. Look for the option to connect a wallet and click on it. A list of wallets will appear. Among these options, you will find Phantom Wallet, which will only show once you are signed in. Click on Phantom Wallet and follow the prompts to connect it to Dex Screener. Once connected, you will be able to track your coins and access all the platform's features seamlessly. This connection allows you to monitor market trends and manage your investments effectively. So that's basically how you can connect a wallet to Dex Screener. And that's it for this video. If you find helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.